Hello soldiers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to access ND array elements. So let's get started. Array indexing is the same as accessing an array element. You can access an array element by referring to its index number. The indexes in NumPy arrays starts with 0, meaning that the first element has index 0 and the second has index 1, etc. So in this example you can see we are accessing the first element in this ND array. As you can see, we are accessing the first element with the index number 0. You can see the output, that is 1. In this example, we are accessing the second element from this ND array by passing 1 here. You can see the output. Here, what we are doing, first we are accessing the third element from this ND array, that is 3. Then we are using arithmetic operator plus, and we are adding the fourth element from this ND array, that is 4. So that means 3 plus 4, we got 7 as an output. Now we are moving to how to access two-dimensional arrays. To access elements from two-dimensional array, we can use comma separated integers representing the dimension and the index of the element. Think of two-dimensional array like a table with rows and columns, where the row represents the dimension and the index represents the column. In this example, you can see we are creating a two-dimensional array here. So what we are using is, we want to print second element on the first row. So here 0 is a first row. We can just use this thing like this. So this is the first row, right? And this is the second row. In the first row, I want the second element, this thing, 2. You can see the output, 2 we got. Here is another example of two-dimensional array. As you can see, we are accessing fifth element on second row. So 0 means first row, 1 means second row. As you can see here, this thing represents rows, and this one the index of that particular element. So in second row, fourth element, as you can see, 0 1 2 3 4, we want 10 as an output, as you can see. Now we are going to learn how to access three-dimensional arrays. To access elements from three-dimensional array, we can use comma separated integers representing the dimensions and the index of the element. As you can see, access the third element of the second array of the first array. So what we are doing, so here this one represents the first array, right? This thing. Now what we are going to do, from this we are going to access this one. This one is this one represents the 0th element and the first element, right? Then from this I want the second element 0 1 2. This is the second element, that is 6. As you can see the output. So you can read this explanation to get brief idea about this thing. So I'll give you the Colab notebook in the description box. You can just go and check that out. So here negative indexing. What we are going to do, last element from the second dimension. So this is a two-dimensional array, right? What we are going to do, here we are representing second one. So first one will be of 0, 0th index, and the second one will be 1, right? So in this we are going to access the last element, that is 10, as you can see the output. So do practice, then you will get this thing, indexing, right? And that's it for now. Meet you next tutorial. Bye bye.